वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने वाज़ेह किया है कि पाकिस्तान ने अमरीका और ईरान के दरमियान सालसी के लिए बहुत मुखलिसाना किरदार अदा किया। बहुत सा काम पहले ही हो चुका है और मामलात मुस्बत समत में जा रहे हैं। बीजिंग में चीनी वज़ीर-ए-आज़म से मुलाकात के दौरान वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने बावर कराया कि फ़ील्ड मार्शल ने ईरानी और अमरीकी क़यादत के साथ बार बार राब्ते करते हुए बहुत अहम किरदार अदा किया।
Crisis in the Gulf, and Pakistan has played a very sincere role to mediate between the United States and Iran. Field Marshal has just come back from Tehran, and he didn't want to miss this great visit. He has played a very important role back and forth with Iranian leadership and American leadership. And lots of ground has already been covered. Things are moving in the right direction. I think we have to really be together so that the world at large is at peace and business as usual starts again, because this crisis has hit not only the economy in the region, Pakistan, which is a net importer of oil and oil products, but the global community.